The operation of a water filtration plant is a highly demanding responsibility. For a plant manager, broken plastic nozzles are a terrible situation, as filtration media can leak into the filtered water, forcing him to stop the process and fix the broken nozzles. What if ANDRITZ could solve this issue with a one-time purchase that increases flow rate and delivers perfect filtration results? Introducing the ANDRITZ Underdrain System, the AUS. Made of stainless steel, it offers a high flow rate, a continuous and maintenance-free operation, and perfect filtration results due to its V-shaped wedge wire profiles. Compared to typical support plates that have gaps between separate segments, the AUS exclusively uses a folded and perforated support plate in one piece for optimized filtration and even distribution of water and air during backwash phases. No matter whether you want to build a new filtration plant or replace your existing nozzle filtration system, the installation of the AUS is quick and easy. On top of a central channel, the distributor plate is installed with a sealing gasket. The filtration units, the underdrains, are connected to the distributor plate, fixed and leveled. The ANDRITZ system is now ready to use. The basin is filled with filtration media like sand and active carbon, and then the water to be cleaned. The AUS safely retains the filtration media. Only the filtered water flows through a pipe system connected to the central channel. In case of plugging, the ANDRITZ Underdrain System is designed to ensure efficient backwash phases. With the help of a backwash system, air, water, or a combination of both evenly flow through the folded distribution plate and the filtration surface. Debris in the media above the AUS is flushed to the top, and the functionality of the filtration media is fully restored. Contact your local ANDRITZ partner today and benefit from a high flow rate, a continuous and maintenance-free operation, and perfect filtration results.